see waterfalls. So far so good, it's not raining. Last time we were here we walked a Pinnavan and we walked up and it was peeing down. So we're off to a good start this time.
I think we're not doing green, are we?
Doing with the red, aren't we? We're over here somewhere.
It's 5.5 miles, you lied.
5.5 is that red one, but we're not here. We're over here. He's got his body walking boots on. Here's Sam. We've all gone out there to the end. Slippery. Not quite. That's a diversion that way to not go down the dangerous path. So obviously we'll go that way. Just follow the river.
The dangerous path, don't we? Yeah. Yeah, let's do this.
Steep unprotected drops. We like those. Pay extra for steep unprotected drops.
This is a sheer cliff, my friend. Look straight over and there you see the water running, and that's the river.
Jump! Go down, Oscar! Go down! Whoa! Okay. That rock moves. Southeast Central there. Well, it's not Southeast Central. Photo Central. Careful, Oscar! Tim reckons he's found a shortcut. Nice shortcut, Tim. Kids found a rope swing down there. I'm hungry and it's twofold. The more food we eat, the less I have to carry. Oscar just went walking up behind that waterfall there. Oh, it's quite nice. Good? Tim's attempting to retrieve the swing. This could end up in somebody swimming. Ah, safe as houses.
Oh no, that's the new one.
Get crack now. Yoo-hoo! Here goes Oscar. Yoo-hoo! These little midgies.
I think I squished it.
Oh, Tibby squished it. Oscar's going al natural. Barefoot. He's walking with his hiking boots in his hand.
Did they go up?
The rain's coming. You gonna swim, Oscar? He's setting up the kitchen. Trusty barbecue. Yeah. Sam's eating your corn. Happy.
I get coffee at the bottom, I bet.
Oh my god. 170 steps. Makes it 165 to go. Waterfall number 4. Apparently this is one you can walk behind. So you can go.
You have to eat
Even
it.
though,
You
even
won't
though,
eat it.
Yeah, I will. I will. I'm actually really hungry.
You can't go wrong with
Not in
chocolate
Tim's
pudding.
one, but there is one.
Chocolate makes everything good.
Yeah. Especially when you're cold, you're like,
Sure that can fit in there? Yeah,
chocolate pudding
perfect.
for dinner.
Tabby, what have you got? Tabitha,
show Daddy what you got.
what do you got?
Oscar, you've had one mouthful.
What is it?
Dry rationed
A
paella.
paella ration pack.
Quite
Is
dry.
it an acquired taste, you think?
It tastes like
Tastes like good, was it?
sweetened rice.
Oh, sweetened rice.
It's not that good at all. I feel sorry for Tim. Says this is his best, but to me it's like I don't even know what would be the worst.
Yippee-yi-yi!
Oh.
That's where we were. Somewhere down there. Somehow I've ended up with the paella rations.
You asked for it.
Yeah. Did I?
Oh, my tummy feels. Seriously, that is bad, dry, sweet. Bleh.
Made it back 4 Waterfalls walk. Lovely, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Which was your favourite? The one you can walk under is pretty good.
Yeah.
I think that's the most photographed one.
I like
But
the
it's still
first
pretty
one,
nice.
too.
The first one and the second one were good too.
The weather turned out lovely now, look at that.